nothing. Well, this old OE1N is now working. Sounds good, doesn't it? It does, seeing it hasn't worked for ages, and it's nice to hear the shutter kicking off when it focuses in now. Lovely. I'm now going to run it a bit faster. Looking good. Okay, I've now put it on a slightly higher setting now. That's on manual now. I've put it on the high speed, so let's see what happens here. Listen to that. I know people don't like the noise that these old cameras make, but I absolutely think it is absolutely beautiful. And I just don't think you can get it better. Brings back memories. Love it. Pleased with that. Nice fix. Just need to get some film for it.